everyone, my name's Ciara and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're going to be customizing shoes that I've had for a very long time. I decided to go with a galaxy theme. I love galaxy. And with the wrap up of D23, I thought it would be a pretty fun idea to do a DisneyBound theme as well. And what's more galaxy than Buzz Lightyear? Anyways, I'll show you guys the DisneyBound at the end of the video. For the DisneyBound, I decided to go a little bit more casual and sporty. Okay, so I went with a white t-shirt, a green tank top, a purple choker, black leggings, and a gray hat with a bow I got from Hot Topic. And of course we can't forget the To Infinity and Beyond inspired shoes. Hey guys, if you liked that video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you really liked it or you liked me, you should totally subscribe. That wraps it up for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.